0 Kelvin means absolute zero, the theoretical temperature where particles have the least possible thermal motion and a system has minimal internal energy. Think of temperature as how wiggly tiny particles are. Higher temperature means more wiggle, lower temperature means less wiggle. 0 Kelvin is the idea of no thermal wiggle left. But quantum rules still allow a tiny bit of motion called zero-point energy. So particles are never perfectly still. Reaching absolute zero exactly is impossible because you always need to remove energy from a system, and that process gets harder the closer you get. So experiments can only get extremely close. Scientists use special refrigeration techniques to approach absolute zero and study how materials behave when thermal motion is almost gone. Students often think absolute zero means everything stops moving. But quantum zero-point energy prevents total stillness. So remember, there's always some residual motion. Another common mistake is believing we can cool something to absolute zero in the lab, but laws of thermodynamics forbid reaching it exactly. So focus on how close we can get instead. Some people confuse temperature scales and think 0 Kelvin equals 0 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. So double check which scale is used and use Kelvin when discussing absolute zero. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on absolute zero and related chemistry topics.